Namaste, welcome to Kaivalya Yoga Gurukulam, KYG. The energy of Devi Parashakti, the supreme cosmic energy that we invoked during the 9 days of Navaratri, continues to bless our consciousness. And I'm eagerly looking forward to once again resuming, with divine grace, of course, in all humility, the learning of the Devi Khadgamala. It is said that it is only with grace that we are even exposed to this kind of knowledge. And so we are all learning that together. So for both Maya and I, we are still basking in the glory of the sadhana that we did. She's busy packing all the kumkum for sending to people's homes. And so in that context, I woke up, I think it was yesterday afternoon, I woke up with this one line going in my head. Ambe Bhavani Jagadambe Mata. Ambe Bhavani Jagadambe Mata. It could have been a bhajan I heard before, I don't know, but it was in my head. And so I told Maya, this looks like a bhajan is forming in my head, but I'm not able to go beyond this. It just stuck there. So yesterday afternoon, evening, I was just playing, and beyond this one line, I wasn't getting anywhere. And it is in my favorite raga, Yaman. And so I was just telling her, and then by evening and this morning, she came up with words. She said, how do you like these words? I don't think she has ever done this before, nor have we done this, but this is I think it's an act of grace, surely. It is not like she sat in meditation and got these words, but then she thought about it. What is this Devi principle and so on? And I think what came out is a very beautiful bhajan that we are going to offer when we resume the Devi Khadgamala, but I cannot, as always, wait for another 2 days. So I thought, since this is foremost in our minds, I thought we'll make this a vlog. So the bhajan goes like this. Ambe Bhavani Jagadambe Mata Katyayani Shivani Sanatani Katyayani Shivani Sanatani. Katyayani is another. All these are namasmaranas. All these are different names of Devis. There is no place for I, me, mine, and all of that. And that's the beauty. That's how our beloved Guru, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai, taught us that immerse yourself in the name of God and let God be the primary focus, not you or your problems or any of that. So the beauty here is Ambe Bhavani, Jagadambe Mata, Katyayani. Katyayani is the one who gives us the Kati Vidya. It's a Kati tradition. A Kati Vidya is a very old, very traditional way of worshipping the supreme energy. The Shri Chakra, the Shri Vidya, all of this forms part of that Kati Vidya. So she is the embodiment of that knowledge itself. Someday we will learn this more in detail. So Kati Vidya, Katyayani, it comes. So that's my way of understanding. But Katyayani is also an incarnation of Devi that she took to kill certain asuras. That means once in killing asuras is the idea is all of these different forms of energies of the same cosmic principle performs different functions. So it gets rid of different kinds of limitations in our consciousness, freeing our consciousness to go into the divine. So Katyayani Shivani is just, of course, the Shakti of Shiva. Sanatani, eternal energy. There is no birth and death for this energy. Katyayani Shivani Sanatani Ambe Bhavani Jagadambe Mata. O Mother Divine, Mother of the world. Then Bhakta Samrakshini Bhuvaneshwari. Bhakta devotees are protected. Protected from what? Protected from distractions, so that we can continually take our lives, take our thoughts, words, and deeds, and keep it focused on this divine goal of expansion of consciousness, of love, of togetherness, of oneness. And so she protects devotees from all the other distractions. So Bhakta Samrakshani, always she protects Bhuvaneshwari, the goddess of this earth, Bhuvana. Bhuvana means universe, Bhuvana is world, Bhuvana is earth. So Bhuvaneshwari, Bhuvan. So the goddess of this earth, the goddess of this universe protects us and allows us to continue in this path of devotion. Bhakta Samrakshini Bhuvaneshwari Divya Dayamayi Durgeshwari Divya Dayamayi, it's divine grace ever pouring from her. That's when you're in that presence of Devi and the cosmic principle, it is just immersing yourself in that divine grace. So Divya Dayamayi, Divya means divine, Daya is grace. Mai, she is the one from whom grace flows and eternally it flows. Durgeshwari, the one who is the Lord of all afflictions, who is the goddess of all afflictions, she removes all of that and eternal grace keeps flowing. Divya Dayamayi Durgeshwari Mangalakarini Maheshwari. Mangalakarini, the one who is bringing auspiciousness into our lives. The Shiva, the Shakti of Shiva is that Shiva means auspiciousness, and so one who is married to Shiva only can bring auspiciousness and nothing else. Mangalakarini Maheshwari, Maheshwari, the one who is the goddess of Mahesha himself, Shiva. Kaivalyadayini Kaleshwari, Kaivalyadayini, the one who gives us the ultimate experience of oneness. Kaleshwari, the one who is responsible for time, the goddess of time. She breaks us free from time and frees us from that limitation of past, present, future, I, me, mine, all of that. And so when that time is gone, it's Kalatitaya, Siddhirupaya. It is beyond time. Kaivalyadayini, only Kaivalya remains there. So only Kaleshwari can give us that. Kaivalyadayini Kaleshwari. And then what happens? Then you realize Shri Chakravasini Mata, Shri Chakravasini Mata. Beautiful. And then since we are learning Devi Khadgamala, Shri Chakravasini, the one who resides in Sri Chakra. Where is that Sri Chakra? The body is the Sri Chakra. So she resides in there. The beauty of this composition was, it was Kaivalyadayini, Kaleshwari, Bhakta Samrakshani, Bhuvaneshwari, all that came. So Sri Chakravasini, something should have come. But it didn't. Maya was saying there's no words coming there. It is not falling in place. It's not placed. So I just let it go. I said, let's meditate on Sri Chakra and sing this line. So it went like this. Sri Chakravasini Mata. And then when we came to that Sri Chakravasini Mata, the mind stops. And then you're just lost in that. So that found its expression in the bhajan as well. And then we go Katyayani, Shivani Sanatani. So the beauty is all of this is finally within. Sri Chakravasini is, she finally resides here. And the second time you sing it, you can do Hridaya Nivasini Mata. Hridaya, in Hridaya, the heart, is where Sri Chakra is. And in that Sri Chakra, in the middle of that Sri Chakra, she resides. Everything in Sanatana Dharma, everything in this path has to lead to that ultimate oneness, that God is within me, I am part of that divine. Anything other than that is incomplete, if you will. So let me offer this bhajan to you. Just listen to it and we'll sing it with all the beats and everything, hopefully on Monday. Ambe Bhavani Jagadambe Mata, Ambe Bhavani Jagadambe Mata, Katyayani Shivani Sanatani, Katyayani Shivani Sanatani, Ambe Bhavani Jagadambe Mata. संरक्षिणी भुवनेश्वरी दिव्यदयामयी दुर्गेश्वरी मंगलकारिणी महेश्वरी कैवल्यदायिनी कालेश्वरी श्रीचक्रवासिनी माता हृदय निवासिनी माता कात्यायनी शिवानी सनातनी अम्बे भवानी जगदम्बे माता ओम श्री मात्रे नमः ओम श्री मात्रे नमः ओम श्री मात्रे नमः. Thank you for taking time to watch this. May the divine guide us, protect us, shower us in that unending grace and blessings. Namaste.